Welcome to Baozi Training Leetcode solution. If you want the best mock interview experience in North America, feel free to check us out at baozitraining.org. We're here to help you to get your next big offer. And feel free to subscribe to our WeChat blog right here. Through here, we will constantly publishing some latest tech interview news to help you better prepare for your interviews. So today we're going to talk about a problem called search for a range, essentially giving you a sorted array of integers. So find the start and ending position of a given target value. So there must be duplicates in that case. So the complexity should be log n. So if the value is not there, we should be return -1. So if it's log n, so a very natural thought is basically using binary search, right? So basically we're gonna keep binary search. However, the tricky part is, so we will do binary search twice. First of all, we will find the left boundary, and then we will binary search find the right boundary. So we're doing the left search part, and if you find the value, so we want to make sure, because the value could not be exist. So when your left is larger than right, we have to understand whether it's because of it's already out of bound, which should return -1, or it's actually it's left. So we might want to look ahead one step whenever we find a value. So if we're trying to find the left boundary, so we'll check the previous value. So we have to deal with a little bit of boundary stuff. So we will check the left value. If it's the same, so then we'll move forward, or else we'll just return itself. On the right part, we also need to check the right bound value. So we +1 look ahead one step. So this basically will give us log n plus log n is still log n. And the other way, I think, is basically we're just trying to do binary search. Whenever we find the value we're trying to find, and then what we do is we will binary search on the left part, and we will binary search on the right part, and then essentially we'll just keep finding. For the left part is going to be the minimal value, and for the right part is going to be the larger value. But in that case, because you're trying to divide the problem into Tn equals to Tn divided by 2, so that's essentially an n log n method, not log n. Okay, so let's code it up the log n method. So if the value is not exist, so we could just early terminate. Now we're trying to find the left boundary. So essentially, if target is less than this element. So we want to keep going left because it's less than this, and then should be this, and then here we'll just keep going right. And if it's the same, so what we want to do is we want to first check the index. If it's already 0, so we're just going to return, or if it's not 0, so it has to be larger than 0, so -1 should have value. So if it's not equal to target anymore, so we can just simply return this is middle. Else, what we want to do is we want to keep searching it. Okay. So here we want to go right. So if middle equals 2, we don't need to do anything, or middle plus 1 not equal to target, so we're gonna return the current one, or else we'll just from this one and do it again. So of course we can optimize this two function with the direction something, and then you can make it into a function instead of have two separate methods. But for interview purpose, I think it's good. You can mention it. Okay, you can mention uh-oh. Two input 2, output 0 minus 1, expect 0 1. So right part is not correct. So let's see what's happening to right. Find the right bound. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is the log n solution. Thanks a lot for watching.